Oh my god! You're like, oh my god! Holy crap! Oh my god!
Everything gets done quick because we got a car coming that way.
Yeah. It's done!
I don't know whether it's the sheriff or what, but
I hear cops.
That's dog.
Oh, I forgot. I'm like, I hear cops.
That's color coming from that road.
yeah, I know.
One of the most fucking things. I love it.
Hey, dude, and we have to go back to that place tomorrow.
Love it.
Good thing we daylight up here because I had 3 duds.
Yeah,
I could
3.
conceive those, I would.
Poor dogs. Poor dogs.
Beautiful.
I don't know whether that car is slowing down to, I bet it is.
Wow.
So I'm
Stop for now and see where it goes.
I'm suggesting that we kind of
Um,
chill for a minute.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Get out of here.
Yeah.